Trial which is basically baseless, and it is, I call it murder of a trial, because under the law which is Official Secrets Act in Pakistan, the media and the lawyers, they cannot be excluded, and the judge didn't care about it. Now the seventh Prime Minister was prosecuted about a year ago in Pakistan. Imran Khan is the eighth. All the seven, they was given open trial at least. It is unfair trial. There is no due process, and under the jail there is a sub-jail, and under the sub-jail there is a cell, small place where there is no access to the media. I urge the international community and Pakistani media that they have a fundamental right under Article 19 to come there and to have the access to the information. And we are going to challenge this indictment, which is a forced indictment without any substance.
Sir, what are its implications for Khan? What are its implications for Khan?
For Khan, there are 200 cases. There is no implication. Only thing is that the Election Commission is not giving the date. Mandate is that in 90 days election has to be held. There is no implication except for this, that's a continued persecution. And persecution may continue, but the people are with Imran Khan. You have seen Imran Khan is getting popular more than ever before. Jail or no jail, that doesn't matter. But the injustice does matter, and injustice is being committed against him.
Sir, what was Khan's reaction? What was Khan's reaction?
He denies all the allegations. All are trump-up charges. All are politically motivated. All are by the true hostile regimes, previous one and this one.
What are you people planning to do about it?
I told you already that we'll challenge it.
Thank you.
Thank you.